Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this eye tutorial. I am using some shadows from Sydney Grace. I pulled them out and put them in here because I have them in that big huge colossal palette. But I'm going to show you guys how I created this, and these are the shadows. I will have them down below with a little star and all the names, everything in the description box as well. So let's go ahead and jump into this eye look. I'm starting off with San Jose outer corner first, and then I'm going to work it up into the crease to act as my transition shade. Making sure to get all the way to this inner corner and really blending it pretty far up because this is going to be a blown out look. Weighing Goss number 19, I'm going to take that same shade and run it right along the lower lash line. Stellium 776 and Grace. I'm deepening up the crease with this shade. And slowly going to work it just about halfway up. Again, taking that shade on the lower lash line. MAC 217 and Evergreen. I'm going to start by tapping this on the outer V right here. And then I'm going to work it into the crease. And when there's not as much product left on my brush, I'm going to slightly work this upward, emphasizing it more on this outer part here. I'm taking that 776, no additional product. I'm just going to blend out the edge. Weighing Goss number 20, and I'm taking Evergreen right on the lower lash line, starting on the outer V first because that's where I want it to be most pigmented, and then working it in. MAC 242 and Comforter, I'm going to focus this on the outer half of the eye. This is dry. You could certainly use it wet if you wanted to. And then I'm taking Celebrate on the inner corner. I'll slowly kind of go back and forth with these two shades and merge them together. I'm going to touch up that Evergreen with my Weighing Goss number 20. Stellium 780, I'm going to take a little bit of that blue right underneath where I put it on top. I'm using it wet here because I don't want it to fall on my face. And then Celebrate right beside it. Blend those together with the Weighing Goss number 19, no additional product. MAC 228 and Morning Star on the inner corner. And Brow Arch as well. Aligned with Avoir, I don't know, Flash from Linda Hallberg. And I'm also going to put it on my inner rim. I finished off the eye with Kiss Ritzy Lash, and then this is all that's on my lips. This is the Buxom Taupe It Off Vava Plump. I do want to let you guys know, if you're interested in these shadows, hang tight. I am going to be doing a huge swatch video, more tutorials and everything. So if you want to see more from this brand, don't worry, I am working on it. But if you enjoyed this one, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.